Automatic plant watering system using ESP-WROOM-32 module. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of automatic plant watering system using ESP-WROOM-32 module from Rishabh Jani, Rishweshwara Rao and Sanav Philip Matthew. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand about the basic overview of automatic plant watering system using ESP-WROOM-32 module. So, let's get it started.
KONARK'S research, subscribe now.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rishabh Jani.
Hi, my name is Sanav. Hi, my name is Rishi.
And this is our project, which is an automatic water plantation system.
Hello everyone and welcome to this video on automatic plant watering system, a simple yet smart solution designed to make plant care easier and more efficient in today's busy world. Plants are a vital part of ecosystem, providing us with oxygen, food and beauty. By taking care of them consistently, especially when we are away or caught up in our daily activities, can be challenging. That's where technology steps in. The steps aim to bridge the gap between nature and automation by using a basic electronic and sensor to ensure that plants receive the right amount of water at the right time without any human intervention. In this video, we'll walk you through the concept, its components, uses, and the working model of the system. Our automatic watering setup monitors soil moisture levels in real time. Whenever the soil becomes dry beyond a certain threshold, the system automatically activates a water pump to irrigate the plant. And once the moisture level is sufficient, it stops the water processing, thereby conserving water and preventing over-irrigation. This not only saves time and effort, but also promotes healthier plant growth by maintaining consistent watering cycles. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or someone who just loves plants, this project is a perfect example of how automation can make life easier while contributing to sustainability.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you our automatic water plantation system using an ESP-32 microcontroller, a soil moisture sensor, and many other sensors. This system basically helps keep the plants hydrated automatically, especially useful when you're busy or away from home. So let's start with the components that we've used. First of all, we have the ESP-32, which is the brain of our system. It reads the sensor data and controls the water pump. The soil moisture sensor over here, which is attached to the soil right now, that is inserted in the plant pot and it measures how wet or dry the soil is. We also have a motor driver which controls the water pump, and we also have some components which use 5 volts and some has 3.3 volts. Therefore, we've added a level shifter right over here. And we also have an LCD panel which gives us updates regarding whatever is happening. And finally, everything is powered by these set of rechargeable batteries, making this project portable and eco-friendly.
So here's how everything is connected. The soil moisture sensor is connected to the ESP over here, and the LCD panel is connected to the I2C. The motor driver, which is here, which is connected to one of the display outputs of the ESP and controls the water pump over here. And the level shifter ensures the signals are safely transferred between different voltage levels. And all components are powered via a 5-volt battery pack. Now, the ESP reads analog values from the soil moisture sensor if the soil moisture is below a certain threshold. If the pump turns on for a few seconds, then turns off, the LCD constantly shows the current moisture level and whether the pump is active or not. Now, let's take a look at the code.
So now let's look at the working of our project. When I switch on the water pump, the moisture sensor is gonna first read the moisture levels, and only if it's low, the water pump is gonna be activated and the water will start deploying in the water plant. And as soon as the water levels are too high, the soil moisture sensor will read it and it will automatically switch off the water pump. This prevents over irrigation and it's a smart, efficient and conservative way of watering your plants. So I'll just give a demo. switched on. As you can see, water is being pulled out and irrigation is taking place. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is my project, an automatic water plantation system using an ESP-32 soil moisture sensor, relay module, LCD display and the Blink IoT platform. Here is the project code. At the top of the code, you can see that I have defined the Blink credentials like the template ID, the name, the authentication token, which help connect my ESP-32 to the Blink app. Then I include the required libraries for LCD control, Wi-Fi and Blink communication. I define two important pins here. The soil moisture sensor pin, which is on 33, and the other for the relay module, which is on number 13, which controls a water pump and motor. Next, you can see in the setup function, I start the serial monitor, connect to the Wi-Fi and Blink, and initialize the LCD. I also turn off the motor initially and show a loading animation on the display to indicate that the system is starting up. So the soil moisture function, this reads the analog data from the sensor, maps it to a percentage and sends it to the Blink on virtual pin V0. It also updates the LCD with the current moisture level. In the function, the Blink write V1, we listen for a button press from the Blink app to control the relay. If the button is on, the motor turns on and the display shows motor is on. If it's off, the motor turns off and updates the display accordingly. Finally, in the loop function, we check the moisture every 200 milliseconds and run the Blink service to ensure that everything stays connected and synced. So overall, the system helps monitor soil moisture in real time and control the water flow remotely, making it ideal for smart farming. Thank you.
Applications of the project. So the first one is remote agriculture in rural areas. Farmers in remote or rural locations may not be able to visit their fields every day. The system allows them to monitor soil conditions and activate irrigation from their mobile phones, reducing labor and saving time. And the second one is prevention of overwatering and water wastage. Overwatering not only damages plants but also wastes a lot of time. This system ensures water is supplied only when it's needed. So based on actual moisture levels, promoting efficient water usage, which is especially critical in prone regions. Greenhouses and controlled environment is a third factor. In greenhouses, maintaining the correct moisture level is crucial. The automated system can regulate irrigation based on real-time sensor data, ensuring a stable environment for plant growth without constant and manual checks.
A few more real-life applications could be urban gardening and smart homes. For city dwellers with rooftop or balcony gardens, the system provides automation and convenience. Even if someone is traveling or forgets to water their plants, the system can help them take care of them through the notifications through the Blink app. A few commercial nurseries and plant shops can also use this. In nurseries or plant retail stores where managing hundreds of plants manually is inefficient, the system can automatically irrigate all those plants and improving their health and saving manpower. Education and research applications also come into play here. This project can also be used in schools or agricultural research centers to study the effects of different watering patterns on plant growth and soil conditions using real-time data logging and control. Thank you.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S research. Subscribe now.